Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the project frame and importing assets. This is where you control final output. First, pick the aspect ratio you need and add your base clip. Next, import a PNG or PNG sequence to use as the watermark layer. Transparent background keeps it clean. If you intend to use any premium removal or overlay options, sign into your account now so features unlock. Once done, position the playhead at the first frame you'll edit and make sure layers are visible in the timeline. Now you place and tweak the watermark so it looks intentional rather than obstructive. Drag the image layer above the video, then use transform controls to move, scale, or rotate. Lower opacity if it should be subtle. Use keyframes when the subject moves or when you want a fade in and fade out. This keeps the mark consistent with motion. If covering a logo, make sure the watermark size and position hide it without blocking important content. Once satisfied, scrub through the timeline to confirm smooth placement. Finish by exporting and validating the file so viewers get the intended result. Choose your codec and resolution, confirm layer visibility, and use a short test export to inspect for pixelation, sync problems, or accidental cropping. If the watermark looks wrong, make adjustments. Refine keyframes, correct opacity, or replace the PNG with a fresh export. If edits still fail, clear app cache or restart the project. These steps often resolve display glitches. Finally,
thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.